Guys, so we're about to do another DIY. I had this old vase I had laying around the house. Husband was like, throw it away, and I said absolutely not. We're about to remake this into one of them crate and barrel Pier 1 type vases. As you can see, they run $79, $80, but we're going to remake it and redo it again. Okay, so I've seen this being done on YouTube so many times, and so I've always wanted to try it, so I'm going to give it a whirl. So the first thing I'm going to do is just spray paint it with just white, just to cover it, to give it a good base coverage. So I'm just going to take this and spray paint it with white. Then we're gonna go ahead and make the mixture. So we wanted to have that ceramic look, or that clay look. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take some acrylic paint and we're gonna get that mixed up with baking soda, okay? So now I'm gonna go ahead and mix my baking soda and try to see the consistency that I like. Now, I don't know the measurements. It's not 1-to-1 for sure, because I have done this project already before and it was an epic fail. I recorded it and everything, but it just turned out terribly. So now I'm being a little bit more careful with the amount of baking soda I put in, just so I can have a really nice drippy like consistency. Once you get that done, now we're just going to paint it on the vase. It took about a total of about 3 different coats to get it, but basically you want it to have that clay-like look to it. So, and the brush strokes are perfectly fine because it will have that clay-like look to it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get this brushed on. So in total, I did about 3 different layers. With the very last layer, I just went and picked up some missed spots or maybe just even out the brush strokes throughout the vase. But overall, it turned out really, really nice. So this is how it turned out. So who remembers the pampas grass from the street? I tried it with the pampas grass. Really, really liked that look. And then I also picked up some dried leaves from Hobby Lobby. Absolutely love this look. If this doesn't scream fall, I don't know what is. And it looks like those ones from Crate and Barrel and Pottery Barn. So I wanted to take it a step further, so let's go. We're gonna try this method called hydro dipping, where you spray the spray in the water and then dip the object into the water, in this case my vase, into the water. And I saw this on Tamara Bradshaw, and of course I had to give it a try, and I'm absolutely loving the results. It gives it this nice marbled like effect. Oh my god, it's beautiful. So this is the final outcome. Absolutely love it. It is gorgeous. Just right amount of silvers and golds. And now I'm going to arrange my dried up plants that I got from Hobby Lobby. Again, these things smell gorgeous, and this is the outcome. Abso-fucking-lutely love it. This vase was supposed to be for my guest bedroom, but it might stay right outside here in the entryway. Love, love, love this look. It just captures fall to a T. Best DIY.